And so the psychical events are facts, are realities. And when you observe the stream of images within, you observe an aspect of the world.
Yes.
Of the world within. Because the psyche, you know, if you understand it as a phenomenon that takes place in so-called living bodies, then it is a quality of matter. As our body consists of matter, we discovered that this matter has another aspect, namely a psychic aspect.
Yes. Yes.
And so it is simply the world from within, seen from within.
Yes.
It is just as if we were seeing into another aspect of matter.
Yes.
This is an idea that is not my invention. The old Democritus already said, talked of the spiritus insertus atomis,
Yes.
namely the spirit that is inserted in atoms.
Yes. Yes.
That means psyche is a quality that appears in matter. Doesn't matter whether we understand it or not.
Yes.
But this is the conclusion we come to. If we draw conclusions without prejudices.
Yes.
And so, you see, the man who is going by the external world, by the influences of the external world, say society or perceptions, sense perceptions, thinks that he is more valid, you know, because this is valid, this is real. And the man who goes by the subjective factor is not valid because subjective factor is nothing.
Yeah.
No, that man is just as well based, because he is bases himself upon the world from within.
Yes.
And so he is quite right, even if he says, oh, this is nothing but my fantasy, you know.
Yes.
And of course that is the introvert. And that's the introvert is always afraid of the external world. He will tell you, when you ask him, he will be apologetic about it.
Yes.
You say, of course, yes, I know, those are my fantasies. And he has always a resentment. And as the world in general, particularly America, is extroverted like hell, the introvert has no place.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because he doesn't know that he beholds the world from within.
Yeah.
And that gives him dignity, and that gives him certainty, because it is